Good morning everyone! Andito na naman ang lola yung gala sa sign of end of the world. Kaya lang, hindi na siya kumplito, natumba na. Ayan. This sign is tinayo tong sign na ito 2022. So, one of the famous artists. Usually before, there's too many people come over here sa Torres. Until now, but ayan na lang natira. End of the world sign in Amboy Road, California. That's how it looks like. They're all so a lot of people come over here to take picture, but it got worse. They're vandalizing, I think. You see the This is the end of the world. They got bomb, I think. That's it looks like now. So they built this on 2022. One of the famous artists, I forgot the name. Just check online. Is end of the world sign in Amboy Road, California. It's made of wood and plywood. And this is the, you could see this. It's the middle of nowhere. Yeah, the artist spend much money in this, but I think the wood for how many years? It looks like. This is in the back area. That's how it looks like. The sign of end of the world. It's totally end of the world. Ayan, ganyan na sa malayuan yan, sign. Ang ganda sana ng view. Tingnan mo yung mountain. That's the sign of end of the world. Ang ganda ng mga mountain, di ba? Ganda ng view, paikot. The house over there, or the building, is called the Palm. Usually the restaurant. So I don't know if it's still open. That's another mountain in that area. That's part of the 29 Palm Marine Corps base. Behind that, it's a training area on the behind that mountain. You see that mountain? That's Marine Corps base training area. So look at that. That's the sign of end of the world. Sinayang, hindi na kompleto. Ang dami pumupunta dito pero ayan. Diba? So, see, van life. If you're doing van life, you drive anywhere. You could see all this nice view, nice arts display, but it's not nice anymore. But before, it's nice. So anyway, you could see my house. You could see my messy messy room. That's my room, so messy. Yeah, I have camera even though you know, even I mean doing van life. So anyway, this is my room. My room. That's my bed, I mean. Oh Lord. So I need a high tripod next time. So that's how you could see. It's messy. It's so messy right now. You wanna see the inside of my... Hang on. There you go. It's not prepared. That's how it looks like inside of my... It's my hibiscus. Look at my hibiscus. Still have my hibiscus. So anyway, that's the views in here. It's hard to see. Oh my god, it's hard to see when it's so hot right now. Okay, we're gonna go drive again, mga. Drive again, guys. Let's go drive again. That's how your van life adventure. So let's go see it one more time. There you go. The bugs went inside. Ay. Get out of here. Get out of here. I wanna cook over here, but it's so dusty and they have bugs. It's coming inside the van. I don't want bugs to come inside my van. Ayaw kong pumasok yung mga bugs. Ayan, alis na tayo, baka tayo malubog. The road is what you call that? Dirt road. On the road again. I'll show you guys. On the road again. Usually they have a gate, but they break in, I think. And this is for sale, I think. We'll see. So, ayan. Off the road na tayo. Nasa good road na tayo. Ayan, makita nyo. Oh, ayan. That's the palm over there. The highway. That's the restaurant over there. It's not open yet. So. Middle of nowhere. That's the adventure for today. This is the road guide that no stoplight for 100 miles. 100 miles without stop sign or stoplight over here. So loud. You could you could drive over here even your eyes is closed. This is the Amboy Road going to Las Vegas. 100 miles, no stop. Las Vegas, just use this road. It's faster. Instead of 3 hours, it's just 1 hour and a half if you use this road.